Welcome back, everybody. It's that time of the year, pumpkin eggnog French toast. Blackstone 36-inch griddle. I have it set right around low or medium low. You already know that I'm the coffee creamer guy when it comes to French toast, but I'm also the eggnog guy. This is pumpkin spice eggnog. Now there are eggs in eggnog, but that's a little thin, so we're gonna crack a few more, break those egg yolks up and mix up my batter. I have this left over from an upcoming Let's Give It a Try episode. I know, adding pumpkin spice to pumpkin, but that's what I do. You know me, I do that with garlic as well. Pumpkin pie spice, allspice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. I'm grabbing a big old stick of butter. I've used butter and I've used oil for this over the years. Today we're using butter. Look what I found at Walmart. It's a sliced cinnamon brioche. Of course, we love brioche for French toast because it has lots of eggs. Smells really good, nice cinnamon smell. So more cinnamon. We're bringing more cinnamon to you today. If I can, I love to have a square or rectangular pan for dipping my French toast. That way we can do them all at the same time. Try to get some of the batter off if I can. So I'll pick these up slowly with a fork, let them drip for a second before putting them down on the griddle top. French toast, sort of delicate. I'm on low heat. We're gonna check it early. I think we're okay. If you need to, you could always crank up, or sometimes, if my griddle is too hot, I'll turn a few of the middle burners off altogether. If you have a 36-inch griddle, there's a lot of real estate, so even if you only have one burner on, you're still gonna have heat conducted across the entire piece of steel. It's been a couple of minutes. I think it's time to flip. Woo-wee! Looking good. That's what I recommend looking for in French toast. Accents of yellow from the egg, a little bit of golden brown, maybe a hint of orange. I group crepes, pancakes, and French toast together. All three of those really delicate. You have to feather that temperature, and you want to be really careful because you can walk a fine line between the golden brown and burned to a crisp, charred black look. You don't want that. Let's check out the second side. It's been about 45 seconds and you can see we are rocking and a-rolling. I believe that our pumpkin eggnog French toast is done. I think I'm speechless. I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna say as I'm filming this and I don't have a clue. I'm just looking at it. I think it looks real pretty. Take a look at that. I can be real here, right? For 10, 12 years, I've been saying, take a look at that. Sometimes I don't feel like saying that. Sometimes I don't feel like saying anything. And a little bit more about my channel here. I've been gone for 2.5 months because I'm so busy filming Let's Give It a Try. That's my life's work. We're doing adventure videos. Check it out, right? We're doing elk hunting. We're doing deer hunting. I'm in South Dakota. I'm in Colorado. We're all over the place. Nebraska coming up in a couple of weeks. But here on my channel, I just want to let the creative energies flow. Sometimes I might want to make French toast, but other times I don't want to be a part of the rat race. A lot of people out there making double and triple cheeseburgers. I let the French toast cool down off camera for a couple of minutes because I don't want my Cool Whip to melt. So whether you make your own or use Cool Whip, I found that the Cool Whip style whipped topping works way better. Looks way better as well. You know me, you've got to have pure maple syrup. This is Pennsylvania maple syrup. Oh my goodness, that looks good. You can garnish this any way you want. Today we're gonna use powdered sugar, so just a little bit of powdered sugar, and then one last hit of that pumpkin pie spice, which costs $7.99, by the way. They want to make sure you never forget how much you paid for it. You can never have too much pumpkin. It looks mesmerizing, it really does. I'm gonna get in there and chop off a few pieces. This is reminding me, I just edited a Let's Give It a Try episode with some fall harvest French toast. Back in the day, everybody watched my personal channel, and then when I transitioned to doing videos on Blackstone social media, nobody watched it over there. Everything's flip-flopped now. The views over there are insane. Every video is getting 20,000 views minimum. But over here, if I ever do a video, nobody watches anymore. So please come out, love all the way around. Look, we're dripping whipped cream. Let's give it a try. This might be I say this a lot. You guys are gonna start thinking I'm lying. This is one of the better French toasts I've ever made. Hold on, bite number 3. I don't think I ever want to use a Ready Whip again. In comparison to the extra creamy Cool Whip, Ready Whip is trash. You can make your own, but I was never able to perfect that. I'm terrible at baking. So mixing up heavy whipping cream, stiff peaks, no. I always got running water. So take another look at this. It is so good. If you want to make French toast, I do have a lot of videos on French toast. I'm not a warm dessert kind of guy, but over the years, I've made fall harvest French toast, autumn harvest French toast, pumpkin spice French toast, pumpkin spice eggnog French toast, peppermint French toast, a lot of videos on French toast here on my channel, and of course over on, what's that show? Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone's YouTube channel. It is super easy to make, and it is so impressive, and I'm just gonna keep eating it. Now, I will tell you, it's not a health food or anything. When I suffered my heart attack 5.5 months ago, I know we talked a lot more about heart healthy cooking, but at the same time, I'm not a nutritionist. So you don't want to look to me for nutritional advice. This is good, it's hearty, it's delicious. It's the holidays, so perfect time to start making some of this. Do what you need to do in moderation, of course. So thanks for watching, everybody. And until next time, praise the Lord and pass the pumpkin spice eggnog French toast. We all have our little quirks, and one of mine is I like to sing and dance. Woo!